Welcome to our English Grammar for Business course. During this Certified Business Professional program, we'll equip with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in business writing in any industry. We recommend this course for learners who are all career-minded individuals and for those who are seeking to improve their skills in English grammar to communicate more clearly, professionally, and effectively. At the end of this course, your learners will have a better understanding of the importance of grammar in business, common grammatical mistakes in business writing, proper sentence structure, complete versus incomplete sentences, common mistakes in punctuation, commonly misused words, nouns, pronouns and adjectives, verbs and adverbs, prepositions, writing styles and grammatical leniency in business. Training times are normally arranged in more manageable sessions of 3 hours over 2 days and can be delivered virtually or at your workplace. By choosing this short course, you're offering your staff the opportunity to learn when and where they want at a pace that suits them. It will also give your learners the opportunity to consume content in short bursts and will enable them to apply their knowledge in the workplace immediately, instantly boosting their productivity.